Hello everyone, welcome to A Bite of GCI. Today we are going to share a recipe of wonton soup with you. It's a traditional folk food originating from northern China. Okay, let's do it. The ingredients for the wonton filling include minced pork, eggs, ginger, green onions, and a cucumber. First, we chop green onions and ginger into small pieces. Then we chop the cucumber into small cubes. And then we put minced pork, chopped green onions, ginger, and 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 2 spoons of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix them well. Then we add chopped cucumber and stir them well. And then prepare a bowl of water, the wonton wrappers you bought, and start wrapping. Dip a little water on the edges of the wonton wrappers to make them stick together and prevent the filling from leaking out. After the water boils, put the wontons into the boiling water and cook them well. Now we prepare the wonton soup base. Put chopped green onions, coriander, seaweed, dried shrimps, a spoon of light soy sauce, a spoon of vinegar, half a spoon of sesame oil, a little bit of salt and pepper in a bowl. Scoop 4 to 5 spoons of hot water into the prepared wonton soup base. Finally, you can scoop out the cooked wontons and enjoy. Hope you like it. Bye!